All right, this is gonna be a
Very
quick one.
cool.
This is a quick one. All right, you guys. Oh, we're still on Stormy Monday here, and let me make sure we're all muted. Otherwise, you're all going to be on the video. What we're doing is we're connecting that little G9 form to the F9 form. So this is just taking this little segment of this song. As I said before, I like to identify the beginning and the end. So here's the beginning, G9, and here's the end. And of course, you can just do that. Wednesday's worse, Thursday's oh so sad. That's fine. But we got a fret in between. And why not invite that fret to the party? So we're going to slide. So let me show you. Wednesday's worse, ba, ba. Thursday's oh so sad. It's a little syncopated. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So that middle fret in between is on what beat? Ask yourselves. Fourth beat. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It's fun. Look for opportunities to do those kinds.